Yes. Tiga kenu. Nikaraigua maisha me ndubia kuna.
No mutuekeire ndubia muturire-ini.
Aretherera mucamo wa maisha. Ona ndaenda kuigua rwimbo ruru rwinagwo mucamo tathia. Maundu mothe araigua me ndubia. Gau na ndumba ya kigoi. You see, apparently muhoro ri hoshi ri kama ni kanduthi ni aikoretwo kena mpoa wako. Yes. Iyo kundu gwitagwo
Tabaya ya kuria mukuru-ini.
Yes. Niguo ka operate niguo mahum. Yes. Niguo muta. Gati kagi ya miaramono ya kumagarai. No ni akoretwo kena mudimu ku. Augo makoretwo mena kindu gitagwo affair. No, affair doesn't sound good.
No, affair sounds illicit.
It sounds clandestine. Yego to kendo koine akiwendo.
Better.
Yes.
Affair ni hana kindu.
Na mpo wako kwa
Tabaya.
Riu thina urokira haigwira maisha ndubia ri no aha mpoa wake.
Niki mpoa wakeka.
Mpoa ni akiriga guka kundu gwitagwo riri. What do you call this place ha Kenyatta andu moka guthomera uhoro wa nursing?
KMTC.
Yes. Aigitwo kundu kuriku?
Kundu kou.
Yes. Na magigia kindu to tripartite agreement.
Magikanirira ngirimiti.
Yes. Ati ekarapo kahura wogo le Sabina Wanjiru wace. Kaugaga wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting
for you.
Well, the pronouncement is easy. It's like a campaign promise. Yes. Makiuga wathikiriria ruhuho ri ukajigua ruhuho-ini ruru. Heni. What do you call lightning?
Heni ngona marurume.
Cia guthana oguo ri ukanyona ruheni-ini ruru.
Ruheni-ini ruru.
Ngoma ciaka cia hurutana. You know, this sweet nothing. Yes.
Ciawendo.
Yes. I'll be the voice in the wind. The candle in the wind. Yes.
Aigua nginya tunyoni tukiina rucini.
Yes. Ukaigua ni ndatutuma twike atia
tukoinire.
Yes. And they've had that narrative on the long-term relationship of sending each other sweet nothings. Yes. No, according to Hoshire. AASC. Ndio ni akaka kindu gitao evaluation. Timely evaluation akona methigi
ndithingithite.
Yes. Akauga ari higa-ini ria koine. Wendo urio muoyo na ti wa kuhurutira. Yes.
Uyu ni wakanire
ni akoretwo na hope nene muno ya wendo ucio ti wakinyanira ri ni akahikia mubebe uriku
mpo uyu wake.
Yes. Josephine Nyakenyua. Yes. Josephine Nyakenyua. Ora nduthi yake itagwo Josephine. Get all that Josephine. Ni marai karetio miaka irorete iri matonanite. Kuratuka ni gukugio Tabaya. Ugo kwa ka Josephine kao. Kahosh. Yes. He was very excited. Na arakimwandikira how message. Utakunja. Yes. He has been in a very good mood prior to that
event.
Yes. He did not know. Laiti
angalijua
yanayo mgoja
asingaligoja hiyo siku.
Naam. Of course he was busy running a few errands. No anage kiromagirira ground. Yes, some intels. Ichero haha. Kureirwo. Mogire.
Ni mare riu.
Josephine urakona.
Aga gukuhivi.
Magaikaga kwaja kaigete. Ado kitone ka mweja kalia gaku. Mani gathakarite kana nyanya.
Kana iro gutimuikarite uru.
Ndakwira mubebe ucio rendio katari mariro. Ero gwakamba bekai. Alirikia eranziri ekinye kundu.
Avire guthie korana eranzi muthinga.
Yes. Netu indo tworaga kindu. Na no athia kundu kuria gwetagwa guthi. Yes. Ndia guthi ni ndiroga. Ira Jocinderia. Mwire mtu wake ni okite.
Iroka itawa.
Na kinyari. Aiwe yoka kwena introduction ndekwo. Ona ndekuruta itondu.
Batonyo mawira.
Yes. Guthie nginya nyitete
helmet yake.
Yes. Aikarite thi handu vintage. Yes. Handu aronwo ni high tip. Yes. Ko introduction ka Josephine nako kare. Karetwo akiuga kau karauga genda tomorrow kenda wekati. Riu na gatiraria kirware. Riu geko gia gicungu. Ndwere gakiri riu KMTZ. Yes. Ona mu MC uri aloko uwe ataku atiriri. Negwenda utwete Dagitari wito Nyakinyua.
Josephine
niwe gukota muke kiugo kiganona. Andu ona makimenya tambaya rugongo rwitu no kumeke.
No kumere gitari.
Ni mukuria mwiretu ucio witu rwega. Ayuka gutwariria. Ndie kana okiaria gikuyu. Mama ariria gicungu mamenye twasomithirie ki.
Mwiretu.
Josephine yake microphone. Guys, Madhani Agosho. I want to really thank all of you for coming here. I am so excited to be here. Shosho, thank you for organizing all this. It really is a wonderful tribute to our grandpa who since went. He used to call us for these boris. So we're really happy that you have chinjiad for us. Ngondu. The ngondu was very tasty. I want to thank Auntie Shiro. Thank you so much. You're always coming through for us. Uncle Gekonyo, you're the best. You're the best. You encouraged me to study, and here I am. I'm graduating this year. Thank you so much. I want to introduce very quickly, our family. There they are. My mom had spoken. Dad is still yet to come. He is flying in from Kigali. We are very excited. Makali watiri unonjo Josephine uri atuo.
Ni ukoigwa ria utorekia gicungu.
Kuma ithe ngande ku Rwanda ri. Nake athie thukuru maita mama macenjeirie muno. Mama thama gukuri. Mathiete ki?
Masita wega.
So thank you, and I want to also recognize some good people from this area. I want to recognize the women there from PCA Church. Thank you. Say hi. Hi. Good. Thank you so much. I want to recognize Mama Kevera here. Mama Kevera, ever since she came here to this homestead, she's been a blessing. I also want to recognize our friends and Mohoro. Mohoro, stand up, Mohoro. Mohoro, for those of you who do not know Mohoro, you're Mohoro Goroli. Finally. Recognition. They get a program winning. So this guys who don't know Mohoro, he's been very instrumental in this family. He's someone we value a lot. Mohoro. So Mohoro, on behalf of this family, I would want to say we really appreciate you. And for those who don't know how we are related to Mohoro, Mohoro is our family rider.
No, wait. Mpoa wake.
Memory legato service provider.
That is not fair. It's not fair.
Mohoro is a family rider. Mohoro, we appreciate your role in this family. You always run errands for Shosho when we are not around. We appreciate for your humility. You are a kind soul. And may God provide your desires of your heart, and may He also bless you with a wonderful family in the future.
Huyu ametupwa.
Kuringana aria mararigwo ngora-inĩ rĩu rĩ, marauga ndagĩka ya kwaga mũhoro rĩ, maraiguire nduthi ya kũrana namba 3.
Maraiguire mũraramo wa nduthi.
Yes. Aba aronwa rũgama handũ rwere bara, arakũra mandigani ĩrĩa yandĩkĩtwo Josephine, aramĩikia rũĩ. Anake aratake na makona ake cendire, maramwenyeria maramũtunya nduthi tondũ nĩ maronire no egere kĩ,
no egere ngero.
Rĩu bamĩrĩ Raida rĩ, thia kwetwo na ihinda iritũ kuma heo taitũ ĩyo njerũ, tondũ arĩa no makorwo me indifferent ya rũgongo rĩ, maramuonetie makauga Raida.
Family Raida.
Ngigithia Raida choguo. Njo choguo rona. Mwenyanyo. Mageni tata yake rwatiri. Ona twekiragia ni oi. Family Raida ri. Ani abete kuibira wira chumia chiganona.
Naragomeire nginya wira.
Akagomera nginya ihoero ndazi ya kanisa. Yakijete gwikira nganja witikio wakona hu.
Narathingithete nginya kiwitikia.
Yarauga mwihoko wa miaka iganona ni wahuata mai make. Mairima. Kugikinya etwo Raida king'ang'a-ini.
Ni mundu uria turite hokete.
Arauga ona kabangire atirwo kando erwo ni Raida
akwanerirwo king'ang'a-ini. Na mumwaniriri ti ungi.
Riu ni arahura rwimbo ruria ruga atiriri, nikemumenya Nairobi ti gichuho mbirira nyingi cia wendo nikuo iri wanjerire ria ruru no ria ruru nogetiga wanjikia giturenge riu anadutura giturenge-ini mwendwa etairia ho ria mutegia koiga nikarikitie gwitikia ni Nairobi nikuo mbirira nyingi cia wendo
mbirira nyingi cia wendo iri.
Aya imwana cia kuu wendo wanakira miako azie Nairobi wezera ihua ria ngoro.
Pua mohoro.
Now Hosh has been restored to factory settings enough-wise. Very instrumental family Raida.
Like, come in,